Please stand back from the doors as they will be opening toward you. Thank you.
Welcome to the library. Right this way. Filling all that available space, left, right, center. Plenty of room for everyone. Plenty of room for everyone. Space. Thank you. Now, unfortunately, your rooms are not ready at this time. Feel free to look around the library while you wait.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. Like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Service elevators calling you at this time. Kindly use that hallway in the back of the library. I do hope you enjoy your stay.
For your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. We want to dance this morning, plus is
You are the passengers in the mostly common elevator about to ascend into your very own episode, the Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. About to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. So the next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower, which has been a pleasant one.
Okay, bye.
Please do come back and see us again.